For crypto investors who don't plan on selling their holdings for a long time, staking could be a worthwhile method used to generate passive income in the meantime while they wait for their investments to appreciate. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reece, and today's video is going to be all about staking cryptocurrency and why it should be considered if you have the option to do it. It's been pretty exciting living through the development of cryptocurrency over the past decade. Having gone from being someone who purchased these imaginary coins and tokens online for years to this point now where they went from being something that wasn't very practical and didn't have many uses to a point now where they are a generation source of passive income for many, which is what the concept of staking cryptocurrency is. It rewards holders of certain cryptocurrencies. And in simple terms, the concept is it's the process of locking up or delegating some of your cryptocurrency to earn rewards in return. It's very similar in nature to putting your money into a high interest savings bank account, where the banks will promise you a reward for locking up your money and not touching it for a period of time. In this scenario, that would be interest. It sounds like a pretty good deal, right? And that's because it kind of is. So with that out of the way, let's talk about what you need to know and what are the risks associated with staking your cryptocurrency. The first thing to understand is that this method of earning rewards with cryptocurrency will only be applicable to projects which are built under the proof of stake mechanism. And for those of you who are unaware of what proof of stake actually means, I'm going to try and explain it very generically. It's where people invest directly into blockchain by staking, where then their cryptocurrency is put to work to validate transactions on the network. And then these investors who lock up their cryptocurrency to validate these transactions are rewarded in return. And that's as far as I'm going into the concept of proof of stake in today's video. It is a topic that deserves its own in the future. Just follow the point that the types of cryptocurrencies that will allow you to stake their coins and tokens on their network will be the ones that are built under the proof of stake design. It's also very important to understand as well that the potential earnings you can make through this method will fluctuate depending on a few different parameters based on what's going on with that token. And just a few of these parameters off the top of my head include how much of the cryptocurrency you are personally staking, how long an active validator has been staking their cryptocurrency for that particular crypto, and how saturated the market is. So how many others are staking their coins on the network. That will obviously dilute the earnings potential you have. Okay, so with context out of the way, what is the main reason why people stake their cryptocurrency? The main reason, like the number one reason, is that you literally want your asset to work for you while you're patiently waiting for it to appreciate in value. If you have no intention of selling these coins or tokens for the foreseeable future, regardless of how the market reacts, ups and downs, then it just makes sense to earn rewards while your coins are sitting dormant in a wallet or on an exchange. And that really is the main reason of why you would want to stake your cryptocurrency, which then leads me directly into the risks associated with what could potentially go wrong when you do decide to stake your cryptocurrency. Generally speaking, the biggest risk is going to be having your cryptocurrency locked up for a period of time, which means you can't react and actually change scenarios within your own portfolio if the price of your crypto were to fluctuate. For example, if you had locked away, let's say, all of your Cardano and then the price of Cardano crashed, you'd be in trouble if you wanted to sell it because you wouldn't necessarily be able to just cash out. And that is the main risk associated with staking your cryptocurrency. There is one other that I believe is worth mentioning, but probably won't be applicable to 99.99% of crypto holders, and that is for anyone who is running a validator node. I'm going to keep this super simple. If a validator makes a mistake, they can incur penalties, which is known as slashing. And in some circumstances, people have lost their staked tokens because of this phenomenon known as slashing. Moving on from the risks, what cryptocurrencies allow you to stake these coins and tokens, and how do you go about doing it? I've left a link down in the description to a list of the top proof of stake tokens by market capitalization. It's a pretty consolidated list, so feel free to use that resource as you wish. And now, as a reminder, would be a really good time to quickly hit that like and subscribe button. It really does go a long way for the channel, and I really do appreciate the support. And for the example, let's use Cardano, also known as ADA. I personally stake my ADA through an exchange because it is just purely convenient. There are a few few options about how to go about staking your cryptocurrency, another being joining a staking pool. And a staking pool, just as a quick example, is where multiple people gather their crypto, put it together, and then that gives them a higher chance of earning rewards. And the other method is known as cold staking, which is a little bit more complex, but in a nutshell, it's where you keep your crypto in a virtual wallet that is connected to the internet. There are lots of tutorials and helpful websites out there which will explain step by step how to stake specific coins and tokens through these methods. I'm not going to be going into those steps in this video today. Just understand that they are methods that exist that people use every single day to earn passive income for the crypto that they hold. And staking through exchanges is generally going to be explained step by step by the exchange itself. It's in their best interest to make it as easy as possible to stake your coins through their platform because they have an incentive to do so. They take a cut for you staking through them generally. And in my circumstance, that cut is tiny and it's worthwhile doing because they make it extremely convenient for me to do so. So keep that at the back of your mind if that's the path that you're thinking about going down to stake your crypto. To wrap today's video up, I really like the concept of staking because it's a way to be rewarded for investing my money. It's no different to earning dividends from the share market, and it's no different to earning interest from a bank who is offering a high interest savings bank account with the same concept. It's a win-win for someone who is going to leave this potential growth asset in the same spot for a really long period of time with the opportunity to earn some rewards along the way. And it's not just Cardano that I'll be doing this for well into the future. I will be doing this with any of my long-term cryptocurrency holds because why not? I see the opportunity and I'm going to take it. With that being said, you should definitely do your own research, and hopefully today's video has given you some insight and information into why you might consider staking your cryptocurrency. With that being said, make sure to do plenty more before committing your coins to any type of cause. And that's pretty much all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any of the videos I release, and I will leave you there. Have a good day, have a good week, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.